How do I check the accuracy of my Nest thermostat's temperature reading?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss how to verify the accuracy of your Nest thermostat's temperature reading. If you've ever wondered if your Nest thermostat is displaying the correct temperature, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and ensure your thermostat is on point.
Why is it important to check?
First off, why is this even significant? Your thermostat plays a crucial role in maintaining the comfort of your home. An accurate reading ensures 1. Optimal comfort. An accurate temperature ensures your home is neither too warm nor too cold. 2. Energy savings. Accurate readings can prevent unnecessary heating or cooling, saving energy and reducing bills. 3. Longevity of equipment. Ensuring your system isn't overworking itself can prolong its life.
Tools you'll need.
To verify the accuracy of your Nest thermostat, 1. A reliable digital thermometer. Ideally, one that's known for accuracy and has good reviews. 2. A small notebook or notepad to record temperature readings over a period.
Steps to check the accuracy.
1. Position the thermometer. Place your digital thermometer next to the Nest thermostat. Allow them to sit undisturbed for at least 15 minutes. 2. Record the readings. After the 15 minutes, note down the temperature displayed by both the Nest thermostat and the digital thermometer in your notepad. 3. Repeat over time. For a more comprehensive view, take readings at different times of the day and over several days. This can account for variations due to factors like sun exposure or daily activities. 4. Compare the readings. A difference of 1 to 2 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 1 degree Celsius, is acceptable. If the difference is consistently larger, there might be an issue with your Nest thermostat.
What if my Nest isn't accurate?
1. Calibration. Some thermostats offer calibration options. Refer to your Nest user manual or contact Nest support. 2. Positioning. Ensure that your Nest isn't near heat sources like windows, lamps, or appliances. These can affect its readings. 3. Software update. Ensure your Nest thermostat has the latest software updates. Sometimes, firmware updates can improve the accuracy of readings. 4. Professional help. If none of the above solutions work, consider contacting a professional or the Nest support team for further assistance. There you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Nest thermostat is accurate and keeping your home as comfortable as possible. We hope this video was informative. Stay cozy, and until next time.